the founder of 10xcoderkids.com, and if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do it so that you don't miss any of my videos. And guys, today I'm really happy. I just reached 200 videos on my channel, so that's so cool. I just saw that I have reached 200 videos on my channel, and this is a big, it's not such a big, but it is a milestone for me because 200 videos is a lot. So this channel is basically based on coding, right? So my channel is basically based on coding, right? And because of all your motivation, I made it to this milestone, guys. Because of you motivating me so much, I have reached to this milestone today. And basically I upload videos on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, React, Java, C++, and a lot more, right? So these are the topics on which I upload my videos. And this channel is a very helpful channel for people who are just starting to code and want to learn coding. So people who want to learn new stuff, want to learn something about coding, gonna want to get deep into coding, this channel is great for them. And because of all your motivation, I will keep on uploading the best content for you guys so that you have no shortage for learning, and every day you learn something new, right? So this is a milestone for me, guys, and please keep motivating me like this so that you can get some amazing, entertaining coding content. So thank you guys for making my day so special. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos. Down.